She's got her shirt on. Tell them how many laps you did today.
40.
40. She done 40 laps. So, so
The gym, so it was harder.
they sent an email says y'all gonna do glow sticks. Y'all have glow sticks?
It was all the way around the gym.
So you done 40 laps around the gym today. But she wanted to say thank you.
No problem. Good job.
That is right.
I think I haven't heard the numbers, but she said something. She said they said something about 41. They raised 41,000.
Wow.
Maybe they'll get that new track.
Yep.
Yeah, they're trying to for the track and some stuff for the front of the school. I forgot what all they were trying to do, but they call us like they'll call us on Sunday night. The school calls 2 or 3 times a week, and with the automated message for everybody. What is it?
So we get to ice Savannah banana or ice on them.
They get the ice.
Savannah banana.
Who is Savannah?
Savannah banana is the one that owns the track.
Oh, the one that owns the land out there. So y'all get to pour ice on her since y'all raised all the money, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. So they get the ice, and don't want the principal. Then the assistant principal had to spend the night at the school last night.
They did, and they sent video proof, and we got to watch it at lunchtime.
Mm-hmm.
They had a dance party. They acted like kids.
Did what's her name have to kiss a cow?
We haven't done it yet.
What farm animal does she have to kiss?
A pig or a cow?
Who's bringing the pig?
It's either Savannah Banana or Sadie or Sally.
She has to kiss a cow or a pig. Whoever brings whichever one, she's got to kiss it, right? Mm-hmm. So they had different things each day. Each day, when they bring, when they raise so much money during that day, they had a goal, and if they reached that goal, then the principal had to kiss a farm animal.
Miss Robertson got to pie Savannah Banana in the face, and the principals got silly stringed by Savannah Banana.
So it was just a big contest all week long, and
sadly we don't get to do.
But thank y'all for your help and your support. That was awesome. Really appreciate y'all.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Fatty,
Yes, sir.
I pulled up my grid bot just to see, check my stuff, and it just so happened it had XYO pulled up, and then I switched over to band. I don't know if y'all have ever heard of band protocol, but the AI strategy has got the last buy at where band's at now. AI's got it stretched all the way up to $8.52.
XY.
So I'm like, what in the world? There's a glitch here somewhere. XY goes to $8, cuz.
Oh yeah, I shut this shit off, bro.
I'm out.
Shit, whatever fucking 70 times 8 is. 70,000 times 8 is. I'm good. Jeez. I'll have to make a trade for a minute.
No, I have to take a break.
No, that's a too good a win to keep pushing it. No, I feel like yeah, there's them crazy pumpers are gonna pump any day now. But between now and like the 15th, there's gonna be a day that everything fucking does a stupid candle. And that's just my opinion. Because it's been so long since everything's done it. Now we've seen 10% candles, 20% candles, whatever, but I'm talking like a boom candle.
Yeah, I agree.
I got my sales up there. That's the only way I'm gonna let shit go right now. Feel good about it though. Well, this year's bag's fucking is in good shape. Last year's bag's gonna need a little marinating, but it's all good. It ain't that far away. It's about to be green. It's about to be level. Anyways. It might even be squared up now, because actually Cartesi and fucking XYO and Crow have been doing good, and that's what most of my shit is. Oh yeah, it's $200 away from being green. Actually, $100, 95. Oh yeah,
I hate to real listen to this shit.
another oscillation. I'm clear.
So I had an address that's like right down the road, like 2 houses down from me. So I've been sitting at the house for like 45 minutes, an hour, something like that. Hannah just walked out the door with my tablet, go down the road, and click not at home and come back. So it's like I've been working this whole time.
Yeah, I used to do that too. The service calls, I'd whip them out and then go sit at home for about 2 hours to have me at lunch and a nap. And then go hit the midday shit. And then take me another break somewhere, either at the house or in a parking lot somewhere. And then hit the end of the day and then head to the fucking river.
All right, so I tried to refresh it. I refreshed it. So it's got the top sale set at 5080.
Jesus.
5 cents. So almost
I've got
6.
my like if it does something stupid like that overnight, I got my where am I set at? I don't like that Coinbase gives you like the fucking. Oh, it actually does on the sale. So, what price? Oh yeah, I set mine way on up there, 12 cent. Told you I said a stupid sale.
Well, I mean, you might wake up a rich man. You never know.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I've seen dumber shit. I did it off of that candle. I measured a pattern of its little boom pattern, and that's where I got the number from. So I wasn't gonna fucking say it ain't done shit before. It ain't done it before because it's done it. I don't know about 12 cent, but yeah, 5 would be a more realistic from here. What the fuck? How did I click on the wrong chart? There we go. Yeah. Within an hour or within a few hours, wasn't like a like a 1 hour candle or 2 hour candle. That's not a far stretch. Good fucking percentage. Jeez. Trying to measure it. Can't fucking drag it down far enough. 580. 172% from here. My last buy was 1.7. 168 was my last buy. It was pretty big too because I skipped out on putting in on XYO the last couple of times because it was higher than I wanted it to be when my money went through when I put money in. So finally touched its bottom and let me in. I got Cartesi set at fucking $1.15.
Holy cow.
No shit, right? But if it doesn't, I'll be happy with it. I've seen it tap $1 without even fucking flexing. Not from
I'm
down
over here
here.
begging. I'm over here begging for Balancer to go up 2%. 2%. I guess I could get some more money and throw on it and buy it down.
I just feel like those will at least hit by May, or I think like May 15th. If it takes its time getting there and it's working its way there, I'll take them off. I won't sell them if it slowly goes up there. Need to download a CoinX and go put some fast money in. Since the market's a little higher than I want it to be, and I ain't really in a place where I need to average down in anything. Just thinking about putting some CoinX money in and playing with that in the meantime.
You gonna put it to work and do leverage, or you just gonna go buy XRP and shit?
Yeah, I was gonna do both. I was gonna buy some shit that I can't get. Some duty coins and some leverage. Might as well.
Look at our bait, man. God almighty. If it scallops back up and keeps going, oof, I think it's probably going to hit its head and it's going to be done at 276 for a minute though. I'll probably close that trade, take profits at about 275. Drill, did you see what Ethereum done today? Look what it hit his head on. It's in general. Got 200. If it goes through that, if it goes back up and goes through that, you know what's up. So that means Ethereum's ahead of Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin's gonna go back up there and do it. So we could be looking for a 483.
I thought ETC was leading the pack with the pattern. That's what I was looking at last week. I ain't really compared it this week, but
Well, on an hourly chart, it may very well be, because ETC, we know it's old as dirt, right? So it blew through the fucking 200 like it wasn't shit. Where it's had a problem is up above it. It's got to, been working the moving averages up above it. I'll put it in general.
yeah, they look.
Right there is ETC on the 1 hour, same chart, same time frame. But that's the difference between ETC and Ethereum.
Yeah, they both caught up in the 4 hour.
So if ETC is leading the pack, then it's looking to break out and go way beyond.
Yeah, my buddy that I got in ETC, I got him in at $26. He's happy.
I bet he is. He was at a double up.
Yep.
I think it's gonna be better than that though. I think it's
I
gonna
told him
stretch
to
out.
wait. I told him to keep an eye on it and wait until end of May. I said, pick a time around the end of May to fucking be happy with profit.
Probably we're going to pay attention to the charts, because if you go long term and you look at some of these moving averages, and if you stretch out to the 1 week chart and stuff, it's inevitable. We're going to have a death cross in May that's probably going to shake the market. Probably around the second or third week of May. Solano, go baby, go. Solano play at 149, 150. 12% play right there. Got a little drip going on right here on the end of the day, huh? We're gonna have 11 o'clock play again tonight, Drew. I mean, it's doing a on a 1 hour chart. That's a pretty much an all day bullpen, it right? So the price is getting bought up. The wicks are longer on the bottom than they are the tops on the 1 hour chart. I'll put it in general. So this hour, you look at the previous hour, got bought up. The previous hour before that, the top was longer. Then you had a solid. Then you had suck up. Then you had an undecided. I mean, if you drew that out, that's a bullpen, right? Because it flies the flag. That's the flag. So we should be breakout, measured move. Should put us back up around 48. I want my hair done too.
had made a bigger what is it called? Pennant. So go ahead and disregard this old pennant. Take it out of it. Hold on, what now? Yeah, that's what I did. I drew this sucker down here and this up here. What? This was the previous one. Where's it at? I think I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, that was the previous one. I think I'm gonna keep that sucker actually. I'm just gonna make them into dashes here. There. That way, at least know that was the previous one. Dashes. There we go. However, I do wanna. Oh, you're talking about this one right here. Like the line. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. I was trying to figure out what you were talking about. Okay, yeah, I got you now. Yeah, there you go. See, now it's a little bit more. I can move this sucker a little bit downwards. Right there. Oh no, shit. Okay, I'll read that. Oh. Yeah. Oh shit. Hell yeah. I'll be there. Huh. Bingo bango. Go ahead and use this one right here. Okay. All right. Yeah, I see it. Huh. Thank you very much. Yeah, hell yeah. Make my job a lot easier now. I'm gonna be messing around with this sucker, dude. Yeah, it's right here. Okay, let's see this. Let's check this puppy out now. Go back to take this one off and go to yeah, but it's because see when I go to the candles, is a shitload of yellow. Watch, see, that's I didn't. I was trying to stay away from like somewhat these colors here and the blues, but it's eventually gonna like change and stuff. Okay, I see what you're saying. Let me mess with this sucker here real quick. Bingo, bango. Oh, bang! How you like me now? There we go. Hell yeah. Getting that. Yeah. Yeah, see, and that's what I was having a hard time. I was trying to find that sucker, and then I would move it over here, and it would move on me. So this is perfect. And now from there, we could do like a, well, we did this one earlier. We could go ahead and add to this one. Settings. Visible line. No. I want to keep this one though, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that one as the dash. And then I'll just. Oh, there you go. Yeah, because as soon as I'm gonna switch the candles, I'm trying to um, redraw another one, but I'm gonna keep the line and at a lower. Oh hell yeah! Look at that shit, dude. Hell yeah! Shit, look at that. Touches. Boom. And then it looks like here we're just doing some sideways action. Drop them. Oh hell yeah, dude. Look at that. Grabs onto that sucker, dude. Do that. Change this one to line and then go smaller. Go back to our candles. Oh, see, that one should have been over here. All right, there you go. All right, it's our new line, boys and girls. There's the small one that we had. Broke to the downside, then to the upside, came back into the channel. So I just redrew a bigger one. See what happens over here. All right, let me get back to it, boys. On the you already got the jalapenos taken out. Got the fire started. Gonna go ahead and start putting some cream cheese, some cheese in it, wrap them in bacon. Got the chicken drying up. Gonna go ahead and put some mustard over it, then some seasoning, and get the can of beer. Put tomatoes, onions, celery. What else are we gonna put? Seasoning, beer, and cilantro and garlic. Set that sucker right on top of the can. Put it on the fire, and drink some beers, boys. So let me go finish up. I'll be right back. I'll have you guys in the background though.
We stay right here. We're still in it. As long as we don't go much lower than this, we're still independent. I'm trying to watch the USDT dominance. Yeah. Glitch with.
It's really odd. I'm not getting that candle on mine. Oh, you on USDT? Oh, okay. I just saw the little tether symbol up there in the corner. Oh, okay. That's USDT dominance tab. Never mind. And I flipped to the same chart on the 3-minute, and I don't have that candle. That's weird. I don't know how you have that candle and I don't. That's odd. That's crazy. It's like your chart lagged out because mine shows a candle. It doesn't show a gap. You know, mine's connected. And mine shows a big old drop candle that reached down to that same area, the 461 area. But you're missing a candle. Pull open my chart. I'm on the same thing. That's it. Yeah, Binance US USDT. I mean US dollar. Just regular USD. Yeah, open mine and then put it next like
Man, got
trade,
so many
my
lines
trade,
on his chart, you can't even tell what the price is.
my trading view glitched too, bro. Uh, yeah, my trading view just glitched. Like it was just showing balancer up 5.8%, and it's down, 1%.
yeah. My Yeah, I pulled mine open because yours was gapped and then mine was filled in. I was like, huh? Yeah, mine don't show none of
Java
that.
just took off. KSM's trying to go. Java, KSM, Luna, Solana's back on a run. Monera's what? You fired up a Shrimpy? I don't ever look and see, but did you fired one up? Elon help you out? Oh
He
boy,
said
here we
something
go.
about poking around in it this morning. No, I was like, oh shit. I just assumed you helped him.
I didn't help him.
He just went at it.
What exchange did you tie to? You can't tie Coinex to that one, can you? And I was curious about that. If now that Coinbase, if I'll be able to do that with Coinbase. Yeah, but you could do KuCoin and like what he does. Elon is using XRP and some of those off the wall coins from KuCoin and his. Did you shut that one down, Elon?
No. When it like stopped itself pretty much because I had the oh, Daryl, make sure if you have a stop loss set that you have a negative, like a little minus sign in front of your stop loss, or else when you get like say 10% into profit, it'll stop loss above. That's what happened to me on KuCoin. I had my stop loss set at 7% on the hour, and then my portfolio went up 7% within the hour, and it just sold everything out. So I sold out in profit, but I missed a lot of profit because it was a big run. So make sure you have a negative in front of your stop loss. That's a big thing. Well, you can set a stop loss on it. So like you can have it so if the price of your if the dollar amount of your portfolio drops more than a certain percentage within the hour or day, it'll sell all of your coins. So you'll sell out to USDC or USD or USDT, whatever you set it to sell out to. Whatever your base currency would be, it'll go back to that. In your automation.
Yeah, it's all part of your automation. Hold up. I showed you. I gotta get set up. Do not
Yeah.
share me. Do not share me on Share Vision, please. Not
Donnie
this screen.
is the master at it. I've just learned from him.
This is personal information, so don't share this on Share Vision.
didn't give me no reading on my shit. You know me.
You gotta change
Yeah.
the date. You gotta change the date, man.
I know I was doing best I could. I did. You know, once I was like, yeah, I think it's working.
Yeah, when you get some of the newer coins in that just came out last year and shit, it can't back test real well.
Yeah,
But if
yeah.
you put in like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, you know, some of the ones that have been around for a long time on Coinbase Pro, it can back test pretty well. Coinbase Pro didn't, well, Coinbase period didn't have Doge real long ago, so that was one I was upset about because it's one of my main holdings, but.
Hey, bro, I don't even got Doge on my list, bro. This how you know I wasn't bullshit when I picked these little bit of coins. Nah, seriously.
You don't even got Doge in there?
I don't got Doge on that bit at all. You hear me? No, I don't.
Jeremy?
No, I don't neither.
You're just holding it, you're not trading it?
I mean, I took the Doge that I took out that I had to play with. Remember I told you I took that, I think I took like a couple thousand Doge out. I never did nothing with them though. So I just sent them in the Shrimpy, let Shrimpy rebalance them bitches into all these other coins. Fuck it. See what happens. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? Doge go to 45 cents right now. I still got some coins for that shit.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? So send that bitch to the moon.
That's what I've been looking at. Is like basically with the price that I averaged in at Doge, like it can 4 to 5x, and some of these other coins may not be able to do that much percentage. You know?
Yeah, facts.
So.
Hold some of that. That don't got nothing to do with nothing else. You feel me? You gonna trade. So I had to put that in my head. So I'm like, yeah. I got Doji sitting because Doji's still sitting. So leave Doji the hell alone. Like, you need
Doji the hell alone.
Man, I mean, shit. Until you can average that baby down or not. You know what I'm saying? If not, like, I just had to unstake some since it's staying in this price range. You know what I'm gonna do? Take the extra from what I staked with. Cash in and cash back in. You feel me? I ain't cashing out. But I'm gonna reallocate by just getting the same amount of coins for the same price. No matter what you're selling for. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
This time wasted. But it was staking and wasn't doing nothing different anyway. So
yeah.
You ready? Alright, let me go have a talk with the lady real quick. I'll be right back. So I want to show y'all my thing now real quick. Shrimp dog.
I mean, really, a shoe? Who throws a freaking shoe?
Hey, the rim.
What up, huh?
No, Ren.
Damn, thought I got you.
If you said you might have got.
I did. I said, what up, huh? You probably didn't hear it. I probably cut out too quick.
I didn't hear the part. You can do it, Balancer. You can do it. Come on, baby. Come on. %. I need 2.1%. You can do it. Somebody go buy about $30 worth of Balancer right quick.
Man, sell that shit out. Make 2% somewhere else.
The bad part is, I said the other morning, I said let's take a $26 loss right here and move on. And I didn't do it. Let's see where I'm at. I'm at the same spot, $26.10.
I feel you, though. You don't want to take no loss, though.
I got a couple of them like that with too.
I just don't want to take the L, man. I mean, it's that close. It's that damn close.
I just take a trend line and fucking draw it across where I bought at, and then when it fucking pops there, I fucking let it go. I don't even put a whole line on there. I just put a little line on there.
Yeah, I put a line. I'll show you what. So that pink line on there is where I've got to get out. So I mean, it's like, please go, just go.
Yeah. It looks like it'll get it.
But dude, I've been stuck in this trade for fucking 2 days. Today
ain't shit.
2.5 days.
2 days ain't shit.
I feel you on that, though. I was stuck in that MDT for like a week.
Y'all know how fast the last 6 months it went by?
Oof.
Too fast.
Shit is rolling, bro.
I thought about getting rid of my XYO bot and taking that money over there and buying it down.
Yeah, I'm trying to hold still with the XYO too, and it did good today. But I'm just like, man, as soon as I move, watch, it's gonna be the one that doubled that day. I'm holding the line, though.
The AI had that thing up there at fucking 5 cents. I could see
That
that.
whole line.
Shit, I got my sales set at 12 cents. Why you bullshitting?
Damn. Okay.
I was
Big
just
nut.
peeking at my Gemini rewards, and they get Brave rewards. They get put over to Gemini, and while I was on Gemini, I was looking at the coins, and their top movers are Ribbon Finance and Frax, but they don't have any data on the charts for them. So I think those are new on Gemini soon. Frax, FRAX, and RBN. It's called Ribbon Finance.
Yeah, I've heard some people talking about Ribbon as part of it's kind of like that bullshit with they were calling it like basically a pyramid scheme, and there's a lot of people that are hating on it, and there's a lot of people saying it's gonna fucking explode. I don't know, man.
I hadn't heard neither of them. Looking at Ribbon, RBN, the chart looks just like Spell for Coinbase. Frax, I found it on KuCoin, and it looks like it's at a high, but might keep running, who knows.
SKL too. What's that scale? That one's been flying too. Like the Coinbase rewards gave it to me $1. And it was at like 10 cents, and I just looked at the percentages, and it went up like to 25 cents.
Yeah, that's one I just got a couple days ago too on Coinbase.
Is anybody seeing this here? Anybody? Witnesses? Yo.
Booming.
Pretty shoes though, Cinderella.
Wake up and go.
Let's go. Bust that flag.
See this, Donnie?
Y'all? What's them? Oh, Wagyu. Holy shit. $80 for a hamburger.
It was
Damn, $80 worth of hamburger.
$7, believe it or not.
Spell
Get the hell out of here.
Spell
Yep,
looking
it's a
good.
pound of Wagyu beef, believe it or not.
You wish that was Wagyu.
Just showed you it was Wagyu.
Which it wasn't, Shrugs.
That's all I do, obviously, from that statement. $7. You better send that shit up my way. We're gonna repackage it, split it, and cut it, and make a mint.
Oh shit.
Right?
He says I'll be nickel and diming that pound.
$7 a pound. He's starting at like times 4, times 7.
He say he only buy meat. He say he only buy meat on clearance. So
Yeah, right. I only buy my meat in the metaverse as of late.
USDT is going down to test that 7.7 again.
Shrugs is meta pregnant.
Well, Chicken Wings, when he was showing us one of his ways he trades, when he was showing us FinBiz, I still have that open. It's a kind of like a crypto bubbles type of website, but for all different markets, futures, forex, crypto, stocks, all of it. But it has beef as a commodity, so you can track the price of beef on there if you're interested.
Okay, then you got this magic trick. 1, 2, and...
thanks, Elon.
They got feeder cattle, live cattle, lean hogs. What you looking for? Feeder cattle going for 166 a share.
Hey, what you say it's coming down to? 357? Or 371.
77.
377.
It'll be the next big test on it.
I got the 200 on the daily at 357. That's what I've been
Oh, you're
working
talking
on.
about USDT, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. I had to put that together real quick. I was like, no, they ain't meaning Bitcoin.
My Binance US chart so bad, man. Listen, it's a beautiful thing.
Well, I hope you got some good cheese put on them damn things.
They probably just had a maintenance or something at like 6 o'clock.
And surely you're gonna butter and toast some damn buns for it. Oh, okay.
He already had a buddy.
That's right.
But some regular old cheddar.
And do some lettuce and tomato.
Ain't trying to waste nothing around here. She wants Swiss, and I'll eat the last piece of cheddar. Mine may be a double.
Yeah, I know how that goes.
$20. Come on, man. You can do it.
Yeah, we pushing. Let's go.
Hey, ask your wife, can you go to North Carolina for about 5 days?
When?
All right. Next week or two. If you drive down, I'd send you back, with a special payment. You can't fly with it.
Facts, no worries.
AR with 30 rounds. send you back with payment.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Look at this, man. 46.8.
Come on.
Look at this. Stop playing, man. There it go. Pete and Joe. Don't be slow.
Daddy, are you gonna fix my tablet now?
I've been
What do you need a tablet for?
I can see that green candle from all the way in here.
Look at it. Let me check my numbers, man. I'm gonna tell you what we heading to.
Just look at it. You just look at that.
You are trying to tell me
Get
48235, sir.
You wanna go to 4.8? I got 4.84 then. 4.84 at the top of the supply zone. Gotta take it all the way out this here dip. That's what they call it, a dip, right?
What we're gonna need to make this a breakout, we've got to go above 48343. We've got to go above it and sit down on top of it.
What is it? For what?
48343.
Yeah, okay. Because at the top of this box is 48374. So yes, sir. That's where we at. Looking good, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh,
We got room on the RSI. MACD's got plenty of room on the 1 hour. They spread way out too. What's the money flow look like, Hokey? You still standing there in the kitchen? Ren, I'm down to $11.
Let me show you this one. It's that clean flag right here.
And the dollars.
Yeah, I'm down to $11. It's ripping, boy. It's almost there.
Check that out.
Try to hold on, or you gonna sell out.
That beautiful flag break.
6.3. It's got a hook.
Can we make it up to 4.76?
Oh man, we're going to the 4.8.
Okay,
Let's do it.
I'll take that.
Let's do it.
What do you say, Oki?
60.83 with a hook up on it.
All right. So we got room to go, y'all. This might be what we've been waiting on.
Yeah, we definitely have room to go.
Daily 62.81. 4 hours 71.17. Natural for the 6 minute would be 30.61. We're primed for flight. Okay, let's get a little picture of the hour.
Hey, Ren, I put that chart in there. How close I am.
Check it out. Oh yeah, you right there.
Need to stretch out just a little bit more.
Check out Doge, making the same kind of move.
Need another one and a quarter, and I'll be out. 1682 is my out, and we're at 1658.
Still waked up to 1664.
Check out how we crept back up on that rounded top.
We gotta go past it, bro, man. We gotta go past it. Pull your Ethereum chart, see what's the Ethereum.
East. Look at it, East. Yeah. Ooh.
Money flow 73 on Ethereum.
35.17. Let's put that.
Ethereum broke the 200. This might be it, boys. Ethereum broke the 2. It's going.
Ethereum has stepped above its supply zone box. It's heading for the demand zone at 38.5. 38.62.
Sharks in general for Ethereum. We need to go because it went up there and tapped that 200, took its breath. It's going through it now. So Ethereum's got room to run. Once it gets through this 200, there's no holding the Ethereum back until you get up around the 38, 39. Once it breaks free, it's gone. Almost looks like a cup on my chart. It's an ugly cup, but almost looks like a cup with a little big handle.
It did that double W for me. Oh look.
Yeah, sure did.
I gotta be something then, huh, man?
I'm thinking so, man. This looking good because, like I said, you got some of these coins. Oh, Ethereum gone. Ethereum
Look
gone.
at it. Saying something else. Don't say nothing else, man. They think the game all the time.
Bye.
Oh,
Way by the Ethereum, y'all. Way by to it. Way by to it.
You had a chance. You missed it. Heat check. Let me put a heat check on it.
They opened that new candle above the 200 on that 1 hour, so that's a good sign. If we can stay above that, if we can get going away from this 200, shit, yeah.
Oh, it cooled off too. It went from dark blue to lighter blue. That means it's turning back and it's still pushing. This is a great sign. This is a great sign. 6 minutes.
Ave's back up 2.5 again. Argo's on a walk. Argo's over 2. AVAC's over 2. Engine's up over 3. Who else is here? LRC took off 3.5%. Luna's over 2 again. Maddox almost at 2. SE still running. She woke up 3% for you, Shitty Shebas.
Oh, hey, this the chart I just built today,
Storage is up 2.
I built that baby from the ground up. I started on the weekly.
Nice. That's pretty.
Get all your tax stuff ready and on the desk.
It's already ready. It's on my person.
She told you.
The reason them candles are starting to cool off a little bit on Ethereum is we're turning down on the money flow index, but the candle is still green, still trying to rise. So we may get a second breath here.
LRC, KSM's at 3. XMR is over 2. XYZ 1.5. XLM starting to go. It's almost at 1%. 2, 3, 4, 5. XRP 1.2. Back at 83. The balance is so close, man. God almighty. $4.40.
A little bit of zoom on it.
Retested good right there, didn't it?
Man, and that's coming from the latest fall thing that we just had. You know what I mean? That last week phase just now on the daily. So
boom, here we go.
Ethereum's trying to go back and break that high right there. It's trying to go past that other high right there.
Yep.
It's above the 2.
Somebody just
be ready for push prime.
Might be stretched out. Good God.
It looks like alligator jaws just wide open. Let's go, baby.
The bitch is digging.
Let's go. God dang, ETC is moving.
Yeah, ETC's up 2.5. Back up to 48.3.
Ethereum is one that I want. I mean, Ethereum Classic ETC is one that I like, but I just need more money to want to trade it. Like if I could have $1,000 on that alone and Shrimpy, it would be a good mover.
Yeah, you guys have almost twisted my arm enough. Just have to figure out how to tie it into my Robinhood or Coinbase or something so I can utilize it.
As long as you got, you know, $1,000 at least in Coinbase Pro, it would be worth hooking up to that. Robinhood don't allow APIs, but Robinhood's your holding platform anyway, so.
Yeah. 2.4, 2.5, Ethereum 1.9. What's the market cap doing? Let me take a look at that.
213.
213 on TradingView. CoinMarketCap.com 215. So they're getting closer. It was a pretty good little spread in there.
Oh, man.
We're looking to go through 215. 215. We need to go through 215.
I'm looking for the
25.
3.43% on USDT dominance.
So we ate up the negative 2.1 or 2.13 or whatever we were earlier, and now we're at positive 2.86. That's been a pretty good little move the last hour. That's a lot of money. That is a lot of money. God dang.
I hadn't even went to the whale wallets. I don't even want to go look at the whale wallets right now.
Let's go.
Damn it.
Right.
It slipped. Come on, balancing.
Full market cap back at 212, but pulling back slightly on the hourly candle.
Because the USDT bounced off that down there.
And
USDT bounced. I'm not expecting anything crazy. I think it's going to turn back down. MACD still wide, open wide, and going down again. I think we might break through right
yeah.
here.
USDT on the hourly does look, yeah, that MACD. I was looking at the daily, and I still have my forecast line, and it's falling right within it.
Real, can you post your USDT chart that you done with the 3 lines?
Hannah do on her fundraiser. She ended up doing all right.
Yeah, posted a picture earlier in general. Roll up in general. I took a picture of Hannah. She made a little thank you note for y'all. She wound up doing 40 laps.
Oh my God.
Well, damn.
What was the charity for?
They're trying to build a track. They want to build a track for the school, and they want to add some stuff to the entranceway and redo some of the stuff out front of the school, the parking area and stuff like that.
Very cool. Good for her. Good job, Hannah. 40 laps. That's a lot of laps.
Hey, Darrell, if you want to get crazy, jar you some horizontal lines at 3.77, 3.89, 4.04.
I just posted my forecast for USDT dominance in general. I guess I could put it in chart projections, so it might stay there.
That was good. I like that. A little tight, but good idea. I like it.
What do you mean tight? With the forecast line?
Yeah, with that forecast line, little
Oh,
snow.
I set that. I mean, over a couple weeks ago, probably at least, where the top was, where we started to turn down. That's the same line. I mean, I showed you over a week ago.
Right.
And it's just fallen within it. And that's the one that I was saying, if USDT does this, then we should be able to expect Bitcoin to do this, and I did it on both charts. That's the same line. So, April 4th would be that day that the arrow touches down. We'll see. The 4th would end up Monday. Yeah, I mean, it's ending up pretty close, but I'm just letting it play out. But that fib and the point of control both land in the same area that I put that forecast, so I'm holding to it.
Keep that one. Oh, girl, stop. Oh. What about now?
Which one? Get on my way.
Alright, let me see what I can try.
and build another flag. Come on, E, stay up. Ah, he didn't write it. On the 5-minute chart, ETC is building higher highs and higher lows. It's wrapping up.
Thought I was talking this whole goddamn entire time. Jesus Christ.
Oh, Doc.
You ain't been saying shit.
I know. Fucking A. I just noticed my shit was not flashing, dude.
A little late. A little late.
Hey,
The whole time he's sitting there, is nobody fucking listening to me?
yeah, I'm over here wondering why fucking Donnie fucking over talking my. I'm like, Donnie, I'm asking you a question, man. What the fuck? Look at that, dude. Boys, that 20 EMA is about to touch this, what is this, the 50 EMA? It's going to go over the 200 EMA, and we're ready for fucking blast off. So I hope you guys got every fucking coin that you guys could possibly get.
Get ready
We
for
are.
the drop.
I know. Oh, no. Don't say that. It's coming down, though. It is coming down.
USDT diamonds took a bounce. Went down to that bottom down there. Yeah, you got to that 378. You got to turn around. It's on the 1 hour time frame. You can tell it ain't got enough. It's going to oscillate a little bit right here on the shorter time frame. But I think its next pass is going to go down. I think we're finally going to break that damn thing.
Yeah, because on the hour on BTC, man, that RSI got plenty of room to fucking run. It's at 57.04 on the hour. It's go time.
The USDT dominance on the hourly, if we saw that shape on BTC, we would be telling each other get the fuck out. So we're just waiting for confirmed rejection.
Wait no more, Elon. Wait.
If we saw that shape anywhere else, we would be like, this is death, get out. Retreat.
Corralen.
Doc would be crying about missing an arm and 3 toes.
Dude, when I get shot, I get shot. I'm going down, boys. I'm going down. This though, man, this is beautiful shit right here. Fuck yes. Let me put the USD dominance up. See what we're doing there.
Donnie, top 10 burger I ever had. I'm going back tomorrow and I'll buy every package they got of that meat. And that was amazing.
Someone gonna run the shelves tonight.
That was meat, cheese, toasted bun, and mayo. That was it. That's all I put on it. It was amazing.
Well, if y'all need any more confirmation, market cap USDT dominance on the hour, that 200 is underneath the 50, the 100, the 200. Boys, this is go time. Strap on.
Are you gonna open along?
I should.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Fucking should.
That's called
So-
trading your TA right there.
I'll
Let me know.
That what?
So let me know if you do.
I'm about to do. I gotta make a salsa here real quick.
Oakie's got some. Go to his house and get it. Your ass
hell
will never be the same.
Man, Okie ain't got my salsa, man. I got some homemade salsa. I just charred some goddamn tomatoes, some chilies, some onions, cilantro. I didn't char the cilantro. It was just I can't char the cilantro. But yeah, we got homemade salsa right here.
Okie just made it last night. It'll light your ass up. Your asshole will never be the same.
I mean, I can't have my ass so fucking on fire on this beautiful day.
It'll be musical.
Yo,
Hell
shoot me some
yeah.
salsa, Doc.
I'll be tooting.
Send me a jar of that salsa, Doc.
I got you, baby. Here, let me take a photo of this shit real quick. These
Oh,
are
I'm
the.
gonna-
A fucking delivery drone for this Discord, and we're gonna fucking hook that bitch up and fucking just send it on its way and just ship shit from people's houses to house.
And we can just do commands to a Discord bot to control the drone.
You know, like it'll hold like 5 pounds, you know what I'm saying, or something like that, like a cubic foot, 5 pounds or something. That'd be nice.
Let me just send you guys something. I'll send you right now. I'll send you right now, and maybe you can call and get your order in. They'll drop it to your house.
That's that charred tomatoes right there. Oh man, really, Okie? You're gonna push my damn photo up as soon as I post? You had an hour to post without me getting in the way, and then I post
Fucking burnt ass tomatoes and burnt ass serrano pepper. Come on, man.
That's the whole point of a salsa. Man.
Hey, Doc, check out that sign.
Let's see. Have your Woody. Oh shit! What the
That's one of them
hell?
old- That's one of them old 10 signs.
Oh, that's an actual old sign. Oh shit!
Yeah, that's one of them old metal signs. It's wrapped up in
I thought it was
plastic.
gonna be one of. I thought it was gonna be one of those signs that you get at Hobby Lobby and shit.
Is it like original cellophane or rewrapped?
It's in a bag of some sort. I don't know. It's been here for a long time.
Okay.
Somebody didn't care because they put fucking holes in it.
Oh, they
Well-
just nailed it up to the wall.
Yeah.
I don't have a mortar or the pestle, whatever the hell it's called, but I do have a bowl and Tabasco glass jar. Fuck it.
And I got a John Deere sign in the back.
Oh shit!
How
Which
big
one?
is the question?
You got the color black John Deere, or do you got the green John Deere?
It's one of the first green John Deere.
Should be the black one then.
Now,
You-
from watching American Pickers, I know the porcelain ones are more expensive.
Yes, sir.
Is it that old?
No, sir.
Oh, okay. I know they say the same thing with the Coke signs and stuff. The old porcelain ones are worth a lot more. American Pickers has taught me a couple things. Their prices may not be accurate, but you ever watch that show Storage Wars? I've
Yeah.
caught it a couple of times, and then the prices that people give on the shit that they're pulling out of them units is ridiculous.
Yeah, I'll give you $50 for this unit, and then they pull out like a $3,500 tiller. It's like, come on, bullshit.
Yeah, and the thing that you're looking at it, you're like, you'll never get 3,500 out of that, you know? Good fucking luck.
Depends. I mean, you really gotta know your crowd or what you're trying to sell. I've seen some little Gravely tractors, little Gravely tillers and stuff. Man, go for a lot of money. You're talking about something that was around 40 years ago. People still pay big bucks for them.
Especially if you got one of the little grasshoppers.
Oh, the lawnmowers? Yeah.
No,
those
no, it's a tiller. It's a walk behind. It's like a tractor. They normally had like a 5 horsepower motor on them, and it would have different attachments to put on the back, and you would stand on the fucking plow. It'd have like a little 8-inch plow on it, and you'd stand on it. You were the weight for it, and you would plow with that. And it had it also had a little small disc that you could stand on, and we used to, like that little disc, we would take chunks of oak and put on there with us to help hold it down so we could use that. And I mean, you gotta remember, I was like 10, 11 years old trying to run this damn thing. It took all I had to turn the motherfucker.
That is, I was thinking, when I was younger and I was mowing lawns, I had found an old mower in the trash somewhere that I made work, and it had grasshopper like printed in the metal in the front of it, and it was an old like chain drive, self-propelled, and I thought that was the coolest thing in the world. But that little mower ran forever, made me good money as a kid.
Oh, all right. I don't know if anybody seen my video.
Yeah, you're making a mess.
So that's what. And I cleaned it too. So don't think I just fucking started smashing shit left and right.
He says I cleaned the bottle before I used it.
Yeah, the best fucking tapatio.
Mush that shit up.
Because the grinder just gets it very, very fine, man, and like I don't like it the way it gets it. So go ahead and put some garlic in here right now. This is what
Some hood shit right
you
there.
get whenever you put down your stuff.
You in
Try
the
to do
hood.
everything that we can.
You in the hood with that move.
Hey, it's working, baby. It's working.
He says you don't have to be down south for that. We do that in the hood.
Hell yeah. You in the, all you get in the joint is a seasoning shaker to break them noodles up when you try to fry the noodles. That's the same way. That's all I'm trying to tell you is shit.
Man, that's some fucking bullshit right there.
That's
You know,
all
Doc
you
put
eat.
all this shit in his mouth, chewed it up, spit it back in a bowl. Look, guys, I'm making salsa.
Dude,
Hey man,
I mean,
sterilize
the one that I had,
sterilize the
the
bottle.
one that I had, huh?
Sterilize the bottle, wipe it off real good, and go to work. Fuck that.
Oh yeah, no, I made sure I cleaned the damn bottle, dude. But the mocajete that I have fucking broke on me, dude. So I haven't had time to go get another one. And I'm tired of using the damn Ninja blender because it gets it really fine. It doesn't give you those chunks. So, alright, that's it, boys. Just want to show you all that.
Yeah, I feel like the Ninja is not made for like, it'll do a salsa, but you put like, not like when you get the vegetables all mushy and cook them like you did. That makes it too mushy, I think. When you put it in like a Ninja, you just put the straight vegetables in there without cooking it. I think that's how they plan on you using it. But you did it the right way.
Oh, I mean, I usually, after that, I'll go ahead and put some garlic, some seasonal, a little bit of salt and pepper, put some beer in it, and pretty much call it a day after that.
Hey, Elon, Donnie, you still here too? I got my little shrimpy thing up.
Yeah, I'll be right there.
Or leave here probably around 8. Pick her up by 8:15. I can go get coffee.
Okay. How about you see, baby?
What are you trying to do?
Just it's supposedly working. I don't know.
You got a lot of coins in there.
I know.
Small percentages of each. Usually I try to keep at least $100 in each one, in each coin. So, because if you go to your history, you'll see that it's making small trades, like real small amounts of the coins. If you keep more money in it, it'll trade more coin.
Yeah, I don't know. It probably even bought that yet.
Yeah, you can see right there.
To the top. Scroll all the way up to the top.
Yeah.
So you sold SHIB, CHE, ARPA, IDEX, and you bought. But see, you bought. Why do you have USD in your wallet?
I don't know why I did that.
Oh, so it's using USD to buy some of the other stuff. So the IOTX. So see, you bought 69 cents worth of IOTX. You bought 26 cents worth of Jasmine. You bought 5 cents worth of Spell and $1.53 worth of Skill.
Okay. Oh, so it's doing
when
something.
you keep a little bit more money in there, it'll make like $5 and $10 trades. You know.
All right.
But when you're running smaller amounts like that, you want to keep it under 6 coins anyway.
Okay.
It would make it so like, but like what you got there is a bunch of good coins. I mean.
Yeah, you just gotta make your own choice on what you want to keep in there.
Right. I mean,
what I'm gonna do is figure out which ones I can run on Gemini and hit them from both sides.
Gemini has really hard trade fees.
Well, and the good thing about the shrimpy is it'll help combat that because it'll be maker trade.
Well, they keep it up. I'll send it all back to Kraken.
Somebody's like, crack.
I wrote these joints down. I liked the way they was moving.
Yeah, I mean, you got some hellacious movers because the ones that are there, all the ones you got there are heavy movers. I mean, some of them might shit on you, some of them might do really good, so it'll help balance the portfolio really good. Leave it alone.
Let's see what the fuck gonna happen for a couple days, huh?
Yeah, leave that motherfucker alone. Let it eat. See what it does. I mean, if it worked, it worked. Man.
When I first put everything in there last night, I only had like $500.
Yeah, and it did a good move today, so.
Let it roll. See what it does. See if it will. Because you're on Coinbase Pro, so your fees, are going to be minimal on those maker trades, like that. So let it roll and see what it does. I mean
when you go to Coinbase Pro, do you have it linked to Coinbase Pro or Coinbase?
Coinbase Pro.
Okay. When you go to Coinbase Pro, what is your trading fee at? Because it goes off your monthly volume.
How you figure that out?
Okay. On your Coinbase Pro, you're going to go to Portfolio. Hold on. I'll walk you right through it.
You should be able to go to orders, and then there's a little section at the bottom that says fees.
Yeah, if you go to Portfolio or Orders, top right corner, you can see Orders, then hit Fees.
0.4, 0.6.
Yeah, so see here. Your maker fees 0.4. And as you do more trades, as you get the amount of money up over there, that's going to go down. Like I had mine down to 0.2, 0.1.
Okay.
So it's not about how much money you have in account.
How much trading you pull?
Right. So when you're doing like grid box and shit like that, that amount will go down really fucking fast.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering, because I thought he might have his 3 commas linked up to Coinbase also, so that would help his trading volume.
I just ain't did nothing with 3 commas yet. I was working on that fucking crypto thing. Yeah, that I ain't like what I seen, so I didn't even indulge into it. So I'm gonna use 3 commas.
You see the numbers whenever we run that test trial for that. Whenever I had that 7-day free thing. I mean, they shit all over me. I hands down made more money with 3 commas than I did with any. The bot on 3 commas outperformed the KuCoin bot and outperformed the 3 commas bot. Because they put the numbers up there like you're making this much money, and then the real money that you actually made wasn't the same money that when you stopped the bot and sold wasn't the same amount. It's like, so y'all just fake the numbers to shit on them.
What's crazy about that to me, I remember you doing that all, and I was just thinking, man, and Tame had like the person of BitsGap on his channel, like talking about it, pumping it, and like having a bunch of people sign up.
They ain't got a check for that.
Better believe it.
He probably did. And I mean, he put his referral code on his YouTube at the time, so there was also all the referrals he probably got.
Yeah.
You know how thirsty people was to try to get that shit together like that?
That $500 still made you $24.
You say it again,
So that 500 already made you 24.
That's what it seemed like, though. That's why I'm like, well, damn, maybe it wasn't what I thought it was, but it had to be, though.
So we looking at about 5%, slightly under.
It looks like
because I sent
that's
like
when you were moving money between portfolios.
yeah, I put like I had like 450 in Doge, and I had already had like 40, 50 bucks in there. You feel me? So yeah, it made money on its own, no matter what. I can't make that up. You feel me?
Go up there and switch it from the day up. Scroll to the top where it says day. Switch that to week.
See, look, $4.99. Look,
yeah.
Last night, and then I took it out, and then I put it in. So how it did that on its own. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
No matter what. That's dope though. Like, credit to you. You boys is bad.
Right above on the right side of that line, click the week. Yeah, I figured because you just started.
Yeah, I just did it. That's what I'm saying. Like,
yeah.
See? Profit total 20. Look, there you go, right there, y'all. Profit total 21.21.
Yep.
Y'all tell me where the fuck it came from. It can't even show me the data. It's so cold. Look.
You get some money. You get some money.
the fuck that coin was that I had? I'll tell you right now what it was, bro. I bet it was this one right here. I wonder if that coin ran up that much on its own. Yeah, cause it started with S.
Bitcoin stepping back up.
It was this coin right here, man. I'm telling you, whatever this coin was, I'm putting that back in rotation. Oh no, it's status. That's what it is. The status coin. So whatever the fuck this is right here.
What about that one?
Average entry was 7 cents. It made some money off this coin trading. This up and down probably.
Yeah, that's how mine's been doing with XLM today. And what was the other one? SNX. SNX been moving pretty wild too.
Abe.
Abe had a good day. It's had a good week.
Yeah, it's been going up, and I haven't wanted to put it into my portfolio because I didn't initially.
I'm probably gonna take my profits at 275.
SNX, I just added that one at the right time. Anytime I've ended up adding one in, because I'm like, man, I missed this one. Throw it in there. Catch some of the percentage. I end up screwing myself, and I'm down on it for a little while.
So this is a little bit over $2 in profit right here. Like almost 250. $250 an hour. 24 hours. That's $60 a day. Go 20 a week. 1,600 a month. That's all this little bit of shit. That's a back test for your ass if you keep it up like that. Call that a forward test.
Yeah, I got in my one portfolio. I have 700, and it made $13 today.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's done pretty well. And then, well, others are doing pretty good too for what they are. I need to. I don't want to bring them all together. I just need to grow them. Because I have coins on different platforms for the reasons they're there, you know? So, you just always want more money than what you got. There's always going to be more coins you want.
I like it.
I can't wait to be able to get a 3 commas portfolio set up in Coinbase Pro so that I can move profits from that over to...
Just guess right now what I'm trying to do. Just guess right now what I'm doing in the blind. Trying to figure out how to make Anchor run real quick. running against BTC too. This the trick. Cause see me in my profile using BTC to make certain trades. You know.
Dang, Shrimpy automatically trade. It'll. So if Bitcoin will buy more Anchor, then it will buy it with Bitcoin. If it'll buy more Anchor with US dollar, it'll use US dollar. It automatically picks which is better at the moment. You don't have to do anything. You just pick the coin. I almost think that's what Balance is doing too.
And the real, since you're such a activist for Coinex, I'm gonna need you to message them and tell them to work with Shrimpy now. Well, Shrimpy doesn't have an option to work with Coinex's API yet. Well, you need a certain amount of holdings to be an ambassador, don't you? Oh, I thought you meant like the whole where you hold a certain amount of CET thing. I mean, yeah, I love Coinex too. It's badass. I just want more shit to fucking work with it already. something else I found on there that I don't fully understand yet, but I want to look more into is their automated market making. I don't know if you've seen that. The AMM section. I'm not sure what that is all about. Watched a little video on it, and it's basically like kind of like staking, but you don't lock it up at all. Yeah, you put money in there and it reallocates it, making you more money over time, kind of like Rimpy. But you don't pick coins, it's not like a bot like Shrimpy.
You talking about liquidity mining?
I don't know, they just call it automated market making.
Yeah, I'll accept it.
Doc, you still there? Bruh, everybody left. Oh, what
Mother-in-law
there's
was talking.
Donnie. He came back.
Yeah, mother-in-law was talking to him.
I was Donnie. I was gonna say, watch that video I put in general about Kleenex's automated market making. Would you say that that would be sort of like what Shrimpy does, but Kleenex's own version?
I'll watch it. I'll let you know.
Yeah, it's just a few minutes long. After rewatching it myself, I'm there is differences, but because it doesn't hold the coins like Shrimpy does, the coins that you choose, it does involve a liquidity pool.
You're providing money for the pool.
You're what?
You're providing the liquid for the pool. It's not. It is the way they're doing the algo they're using seems on like the same concept, but you're providing liquid for the pool. So
that's what I was thinking. It was more of a pull, and then they're trading with the money.
yeah, exactly. And you're making however much you set it at.
Yeah, okay.
So if you picked up, a high trading pair, you could do all right. You could probably do all right on that if it was all USDT.
Yeah, it just pays you back in USDT or CET, I think. Or maybe USDT, because they're talking USDT, but then it was saying that you buy CET to put into it.
Right.
So.
It's definitely worth looking at to see. It's pretty neat. I've never seen that concept before.
Yeah, I haven't had the ability to yet, but I thought it was something you might be interested in.
I might slide me $100 bill over there and see what happens. Okay, let me borrow $100.
You got it.
Oki's making sure he eats his last piece of sharp cheddar, and you're asking him for $100. No, making sure you eat your last piece of sharp cheddar before it goes bad is just smart. I was kind of just making a joke.
It's all good, man. I got lettuce skin.
I know you're far from broke. You just make sure to stay that way.
Man, we're on a wing and a prayer over here.
Well, you could do well for yourself. I mean, you seem to trade well.
I'm trying. Just all the way in between.
You never take out. That's the thing. You never pull out of your trading money or your investments.
Never pull out.
Never pull out.
Hey, I got Hannah sitting here.
No, I'm talking. I
Never
need
pull your profits.
exactly right. I wasn't even. I'm a little sleepy. I wasn't even on that whole run. That ain't even
I was
me.
just giving you a heads up, cuz.
That'll be in about 2 hours.
Yeah, we know Hannah's
Elon,
She wants to lay in here. She wants to sleep on the low seat. So I don't know why.
Are you calm?
Elon just saved me. God. All right, I'm gonna get my cereal. What? Nope, nothing.
I was just giving a warning. I was just giving a warning so nobody was caught,
Well, no, listen, I appreciate it. I ask for it all the time, so you ain't doing nothing that I haven't asked you to do. I appreciate it.
Shrugs pops in and he just needs a warning.
Yep.
Right
He
up
just-
front.
I said, hey, y'all. He said, whoa, whoa, hold up. I was like, oh. And that was like with Doc the other day. We're doing this, and we're slacky slippy and blippy blippy and this and that. I'm like, man, hold up now. I said, Doc, you got innocence with you? He's like, yeah, brother, we're going riding to McDonald's. I'm like, oh, I'm out, man. Come on. You can't do that. What are you talking about here? He's like, man. I'm like, nope, I'm out. total crypto market cap had that nice little bounce.
All right, Elon, write this down. $23.
$23 for what?
I'm gonna
In
try.
the thing? In the automated market making? You're just gonna see what that does?
No,
Yeah.
that's the tax you're gonna have to pay. That's all I need.
How you boys doing?
Let's go.
Oh snap! Snap of motherfucking rude. I just wanted to come in here because I came to see my chart here real quick on the market cap USD dominance. Dude, one candle, the darkest of the darkest color that I could possibly pick on here. That was 2 hours ago, 2.5 hours ago. Let's see here. It's still crawling down, man. That 20 is what we've been looking for, boys, to fucking go underneath all these other 50, the 100, the 200. It is go time. It is fucking good.
April 1st, 2022, Downey started $23 in CoinEx automated market making. Let's see what it does.
Oh, what are you doing? Everybody throwing some money in on it or what?
No, it's not a coin or anything. It's just this, CoinEx has this automated market making thing, and it's a liquidity pool where they pretty much, you put in some money and it pays you back in a certain percentage daily, I believe. I'm not sure exactly how it goes. Donnie might have a little more knowledge because he's just threw some money in it. I haven't done it myself yet.
No,
Oh,
it
I
ain't gonna
thought-
work.
I thought
You
you were
gotta
sending money
buy.
free.
It ain't gonna work. You gotta have $200, bro.
You gotta do at least $200.
Yeah, and it pays in 1 day APY is 11.78%. 7 days, you can do 7 days and do 11% a day.
Well, I mean, I don't know how much, if it's too much to add, but if anybody wants to go in on it, I mean, shit, I don't mind throwing some XLM your way. I got a wallet now. I can do that.
Well, you also have CoinEx, so you can just do it on your own CoinEx.
And that too. I don't know what the hell y'all talking about, though. That's why I don't want to do it. I bet it came in right now and I heard
Said,
y'all
I want to
talking.
send someone some XLM, though.
Yeah, because I got to dig into that shit, dude.
Well, at 11% a day for at least 7 days, so you did put $200 in. Wouldn't that be like $22 a day for 7 days?
Yeah, I'm working on it. Hold on, I gotta reposition some shit.
Carry the one.
You carry the one, okay?
You carry the one. Hey, did you put a little bit of salt in your salsa?
Yeah, I put a little bit of salt, some onion powder, some garlic powder, seasonal, and I diced up some garlic, and I diced up some onions as well, and I threw it in there.
Well done, sir. Well done.
It's pretty damn good, man. I wish I could send you guys some.
Well,
You gotta make enough though to send Fatty though. Fatty wants a jar of that shit, so.
did you leave the seeds in the Serrano, or did you take most of them out?
What was that?
Did you leave the seeds in the Serrano, or did you take most of them out?
I slice it down the middle, and I take half of the seeds out, and I keep the other half in there.
Well done.
Yeah, because I mean, just in case people don't like the hot, of it, so try to be mindful of everybody and not really get it too hot. I know if it's too hot, a lot of people won't eat it. I just came in here real quick to come look at the charts, boys, and go ahead and get back at it. I got the chicken. I got the jalapenos cooking right now. After that, we got some beef going on. Fucking drink up, man. As soon as I get a chance, I'll go ahead and cam up later on, and we can continue this party. I'm drinking all night, just FYI. I got like 40 beers there.
Hell yeah.
You just turned it on right now or what? God damn, good fucking shit. Let's go, baby.
A little bit ago when I told you I was up like $14, it's at like 18.34 now. It'll over on the right side, in the red and green numbers, the dollar differences. That's how much that position is up or down, compared to where your percentages would have it holding, and that is because it either hasn't sold or has sold. Yeah, the difference section. Yeah, hover your mouse over the word difference, and it gives you an explanation.
Can you set a little side bag up on that where it throws money in to cover the trading fees? So the number you see profit is actually the real number.
It's automatically figured in.
Okay.
Yeah, I have to. Hey, get your money, baby. Get your money. Hey, I'm gonna have to log off here real quick, boys. I'll chit chat with y'all like in 30 minutes.
No problem. And just remember, waterboarding works great, Doc Francis. All right, Bubba. See you in a little bit.
Let's go.
See how fast this is.
Timer.
Well, I'm just sent some more XLM over there.
Yeah, it's usually there by the time I flip tabs. And I don't know how to really time how quick it is because it's just there when I look.
That fast right there. You just heard my phone go off.
I'll tell you exactly how long it was. Hold on. So right around 7 seconds. I'm not even joking because as soon as you said that, you said, "What do you stopwatch or something?" I looked up in my trading view and it said it was 22:28:00 and a dot. Perfect. And it came in. It was you just hit 22:22:08. So.
About 30 seconds.
Drip, drip.
This don't make no damn sense. So I had $266, and I've now got 4,188 CET. I'm trying to do this pool shit, but I don't know how to. I'm not sure I'm doing it right.
Hold on, you had. I'll do a conversion or whatever here. What? How you had? How many dollars?
266. But I'm trying to figure out how to get it in and make money with it.
So, well, the CoinEx swap is saying it would give you 3,858 CET, and the fee would be 11.57 CET. So, it would in total be about 3,869. About, yeah, CET. But you said you have 4,000 something?
But you gotta remember, I put that other $23 in there first.
Oh, yeah, okay. See,
So I've got like
yeah.
288.
Yeah. Seems right around there. You might have had some in XLM transfer, which ain't shit, but buying the CET. But anyhow, you're gonna put that into the liquidity pool. I mean, the little video showed how to enter it. I haven't done it myself. I would only know from looking back at it.
No, I'm watching the video again.
It was at the end of it, within the last minute or so, it was telling you how to put money in.
That's it. Drip, drip.
Hey, get ready for a little bounce.
Yeah. It's gonna keep dripping. Don't worry.
I didn't say it wasn't going to keep dripping. Do your own DD, but I'm just saying get ready for the bounce.
Let's see if the total market cap bounces right here where we're at. 2.11 or what? And I'm hiking that shit. Dang, is it quiet? I was waiting for a dippy dope. Yep. I've been bouncing around. I can't sit still.
It's April Fools. I ain't falling for shit.
Damn. You're wrong.
Oh, you came in at the wrong time. Quiet.
Just checking the wind, adjusting the parallax, getting ready to send it. Get ready. Get ready. Hold the line.
We broke under that foot of that 2.11 total market cap.
Hold the line.
So we'll see if we'll go under 2.102. If we go under that, then I'm looking to break through the low of 2.095. Again, I'm using Hakanachi.
Gesundheit.
Thank you.
I don't know if it's right, but I got it added. We shall see. On this liquidity pool, I got $286.26 in it. We'll see what I get out of it. In 45, $286. We'll see what I get. See what kind of scam Cornex is around here.
I was just doing a little bit of math because I was writing it down here. Since you told me write it down, let's see how it performs. You put you said about 288 bucks in there, so I did it off of that. But 11% would be $31.68 a day, and 7 days of that would be $221.76. So let's see if it hits that.
We shall see. It's in there. It looks like just from the number wise, ACA percentage wise, one day, 209% on ACA.
Yep, you should already be up if I put your money in to begin with.
AGLD is 289%. ALBT is 441%. 1 day APY.
And that way, you're giving your money into a liquidity pool that the market maker, the Coinex automated trading platform, is trading with. You know,
Exactly.
so
Just like putting your money in a bank, but they're giving you better
yeah,
rates
you
for
get
your money.
some kickback from the market maker for handing them some more money.
It's right. It's what a bank should do.
Damn, XRP USDT combo gives you 17%, 76 on a 7.
You already like the sound of that with XRP in it. You said I'll hold a fuck ton of that. Well, actually, you're just putting in the CET, aren't you? But it's trading that pair.
Right.
Okay. So when you pull it back out, you probably get it back in CET or USDT.
USDT. So what I'm trying to wait and see happens here, because I had to buy, I took half my money and I bought CET. I just use 50% of my bag, right? So whenever you put it in, you put in, you know, equal amounts, and it goes into the liquidity pool then. And
Equal amounts of what? USDT and CET?
right.
Okay.
And then you're putting that amount up. So we'll see what it makes. If it does, you know, if it does make, it looks like it's gonna make that kind of money, then yeah, I'm gonna bring my XRP over.
Are you able to dictate the coin that you would want it back in? That you would want the return in?
It's USDT.
Okay, it just is what it is.
I mean, hell, if you're getting that kind of money for just providing liquid, crazy not to.
Yeah, I mean, if you have the ability to, I want to.
Let's see what it does. Let's see if it truly makes any money.
Yeah, if it's decent, I mean, I'll do the numbers for 500 and see what I could make with that. At just expecting 11%, you know.
I mean, you gotta consider the risk too, you know what I mean? Because if the price of the coin goes down.
Yeah, the market goes down and it wouldn't be as good, would it?
Nope.
So, you do that when you see it's gonna be a good week.
Right. And you can pull it all at once on the daily.
Yeah, you don't have to hold it in there for the week, but you can pretty much have it in there for up to a week, right?
Yep.
Got it.
Well, you figure, you know, some of these stupid percentages, that's big gambles.
If it did work out at 11% for 7 days with 500 bucks in, you get 385 back off of it. When you come and pull it all out, you'd have 385 profit in the end.
Right. That's what I'm saying. I mean,
That's nutty.
Yeah, I mean, I want to see how it plays. I want to see if it's worth doing. That's why I went with their house coin.
If they are controlling it, I mean, it shouldn't get wrecked, right?
I wouldn't say that.
Yeah. Yeah, things can be manipulated.
Apes, 131%.
Damn. A day?
Yep. Baby, BABY, USDT pair, 385 per day. It's not going to come without risk, I can promise you that.
Huh.
Baby Doge is 80%, 118 on the week.
That's my baby Doge.
Bake, 772%, 257 for the week. Bean, 225 for the day. CERE, 282, CFG, 215, COV, 222% on the day. Cow, 573, 629.
Even if you just do it with $200, that's not as much of a risk, and you could still get good percentage back on that. I mean, listen to them numbers. And what? I mean, you're not going to get liquidated. It's not a futures position. You might just end up with less than expected.
Like I said, I don't know.
Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see.
I mean,
Like if it says 215% for a day or a week, and you end up with 50%, are you gonna be mad?
Nope.
If this thing continues walking like we anticipate this week after this weekend, I mean, it could be real good, right? I mean, shit, I'm already thinking about my paycheck.
You know.
Maybe we'll see another good Sunday. I think Doc was talking about that earlier. He was saying, you know, the last couple Sundays have been good to us.
No, he's just he's a thief.
He's a thief?
Yeah, don't listen to him. He don't know what he's talking about.
Just a maybe.
He's just taking ideas.
Yeah?
Prick.
Well, we're all doing.
Not like him.
Not like this guy. I don't know. I think D-Wave's the biggest idea stealer.
Oh, no, you start.
He goes fishing for him.
Yep. That's why you always hear him talk kayak. He got a fish finder and all that. Y'all heard him a minute. I'm done.
Yeah, once you lock it, it's not available for withdrawal for 24 hours.
Okay, if you lock it for the day, it's in for a day.
Liquidity is only available for withdrawal all at once. Once liquidity is added, the trading pair is not available for liquidity withdrawal in 24 hours.
Huh. So it may be something. We'll see. I don't think it'll end up bad for you because the way we are anticipating things to happen. New hourly candle just opened. But it may be something that you want to do at pivots optimally. I mean, we intend Bitcoin to continue from where it's at, so. It looks good to me. On the minute, she's just working her way back up out of the water. So, what pair did you end up choosing?
CET USDT.
Okay. Okay. So, you put in whatever coin you wanted to, for whatever liquidity pool you want to trade with, or trade in?
Right.
Okay, so you would buy a bunch of ape if you wanted it to trade ape.
Gotcha. Yeah. And I was sitting here looking, and the most money's tied up in the USDC, USDT.
Huh.
There's a lot of money tied up right there.
Trading back and forth between them two. That's interesting.
Yeah, it's not much. It's only pays out like a 4.4%, but
It's the safest. You said,
Got CoinX token and XRP on coin right now.
You did what?
I've had XRP and the CoinX token on CoinX for a while. Kind of want to just invest in shit that they trade.
Just put it into the automated market making thing.
No, I mean, I just got back and I was listening to you guys. It sounds interesting, but fuck, you can almost just buy those coins that they're using right there, and they're gonna go up.
Yeah. Did you watch the little video I put in general?
Yeah, I played it in the background of you guys for a second. I need to watch it again.
I mean, the way they explain it works sounds pretty good. I mean, like Donnie was saying, it just seems like there has to be some kind of catch. Like there has to be a risk to it.
you gotta imagine all these ones that are 200, 300, 400%. It's because it's retarded volatile, right?
Yeah, those are volatile coins. So that's where it gets the ability to do that.
This is like they're trading for us kind of thing.
You gotta think that they're making profit off of it too. I wonder what the hell their real percentages are. Their thing is trading and making.
Well, that's the beauty of it. 0.5%.
Well, yeah, I guess you're right, because it would.
And we're providing the liquid.
Yeah, maybe.
They don't have nothing to lose except
they just make.
Yeah.
I almost think they need to start helping people out, because what's a Crow token worth and a KuCoin token worth? These things were worth 7 cents when I bought them.
It was like 6 cents, right?
I think they want to be a player.
Yeah, I mean, CET, it does everything on their website. And it's not a stable coin, it's like a BNB. It fluctuates. Crow, I guess, is a good comparison. Or, yeah, you said KuCoin's coin, I think, but theirs fluctuates also. But then, like Donnie was saying, most people have their money in stablecoin pair because of how safe it is. It's a guaranteed 4% 4.something%.
Well, CoinEx is stable as fuck because it hasn't gone anywhere since I bought it.
Yeah, CoinEx hasn't really done the marketing. I think they're trying to like not put it in everybody's face and let the platform speak for itself kind of deal. Because you don't see it everywhere like you see Gemini, other platforms, you know?
And originally, I bought it because it's just a fan favorite. You know, CoinEx works a lot better for traders than anyone else. So.
Yeah, it really does. And they just haven't gotten huge like Coinbase. Coinbase has been around for a long time. It's gotten its people by being reliable, being easy to use, big marketing. I mean, I think the Coinbase card brings a lot of people too. Like when crypto.com did that, they started pushing